1306, give me a phone call on my cell phone, please. East Brook from 96. Yeah. Yeah, well, we got 4 personnel going in the water now with the rest. Right, copy. Yeah, we'll make that part 5, half part 4. Can be advised, Camel Highway, Kellyfield water across the roadway, both directions. It is impossible. The vehicles are trying to get through at the moment. Right, copy. Campbell. Not going to have any power lines involved with the tree. Just a tree across the red blade this time. East Brook Commander Campbell.
East Brook.
You can set him 50 in the rest.
You know the 50 in the rest?